I'm Delaney Kelly. I'm a junior experiential design student at Belmont.
My name is Cameron Dudley, and I'm a experiential design major. Probably the most frequent question I've been asked all my 4 years is, what is experiential design? The great thing about experiential design is it's such a broad category. It's doing the research, getting the data behind stuff, and actually design for a need and design for the user.
I always tell people it's designing experiences. So any experience, like maybe it's a theme park, maybe it's an app, maybe it's branding. I made a board game last semester. We're redesigning public parks right now. Anything you experience can be experiential design. All the design professors are great. They are really helpful, and the small class sizes, they really get to know you.
Honestly, Dr. Saka is an amazing professor. He is very understanding. He really pushes me to do my best work, and overall, he's probably one of my best friends, if being so honest.
If you are already driven to learn, then you're gonna do well because he really seeks that out and pushes you.
The community at Belmont has really just connected me with so many people and just made my experience here 10 times better.
My favorite thing about Belmont is that everyone has their own little side hustle. Like, everyone here is really good at something creative, whether it be singing or playing an instrument or writing. Everyone is so good at something, and it's really easy to make teams with people like that just because we're all super passionate about something.
I think a lot of people are just unfamiliar with experiential design. Realistically, kind of take any approach of art that you really want with it. If you are passionate about UX UI, maybe photography, there are classes that teach that. You don't have to go in that specific field, but you learn that, oh, I can actually apply this to like life and how it affects people's lives. And once I was taking the classes that I was passionate about, I was like, this is exactly for me.
I think design is super important, and not everybody realizes it, but everyone experiences it every second of every day. I'm a Christian, and I really believe that improving people's lives and showing them love in every way, and I think taking care to design spaces, even an app or a board game, is an opportunity to show someone love because you thought about them when you were making something.